Hey there, want to grow your Instagram followers with real engaged people? Let's make this super simple. I'll share 2 proven strategies to attract the right audience to your account, your niche community. Stick around, this works differently for everyone. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on strategies to grow your social media presence. First up, think of Instagram like a networking event. Open the app, go to the search bar, and type a hashtag related to your niche. Pick a big one with lots of posts. For example, if you're into fitness, try number fitness, number CrossFit, or number healthy living. Now, switch to the recent tab. These posts are fresh, meaning the creators are likely active right now. Here's where you connect, but don't spam. Instead, find posts you genuinely like, leave a thoughtful comment, and use their name if they've shared it. This human approach builds real connections. Over time, people will remember you as someone who cared about their content. And if your profile is interesting, guess what? They might hit that follow button. Consistency is key here. Now let's find fans, not just creators. Head back to your hashtags and look for feature accounts or influencers in your niche. Tap on a post, check the likes, and you'll find people who enjoy similar content. Instead of spamming likes, engage thoughtfully, browse their posts, like a few, and leave meaningful comments. Again, it's about connecting, not acting like a bot. Trust me, this builds genuine engagement. Remember, social media is just humans connecting with humans. If you want engagement, start by giving it. And don't forget, make your account followable. I'll link a guide on that soon. If this feels like work, just remember, it's what you'd love others to do for you. Oh, and drop a comment here, introducing yourself and your Instagram niche. No links, just your handle without the @ symbol. Let's grow together. See you in the next one.